Hey people, thank you once again for joining us. Today is Wednesday again, 6 p.m. Central Europe time. If you are seeing my face for the first time, I'm Megan, a Nigeria, Germany-based YouTuber. So today's video, we are going to be doing
what I waited for. Oh, you make me touch the sky when I'm down. 'Cause when I'm with you, I'm fine. When you go, I'm sad. I like my life with you. 'Cause you're my wonder.
because in this video today, I'm going to be sharing with you how I mix and what recipe I use in making my deep conditioner. I use it for my natural hair, I use it for weave-on, I use it also as a leave-in conditioner to revive tangle matted hair. It has been working for me, and I think it will be necessary for you guys to know it. A lot of comments, lots of you requested that I should share how I make that. In this video, we are going to be doing the theory tutorial of how I mix and what I use to get my conditioner. But in this video, I'm going to be telling you the 8 recipe I use to make my hair conditioner. I've also done a video before on what I use making my hair mask. I use hair mask at least once in 2 weeks or once in a month. Depends if my hair is open. Maybe when I carry braids or lines, I can take it for 3 weeks or 2 weeks. Then immediately I wash and condition. Then I will use hair mask. Hair mask is not what I use every day after shampooing my hair. So if you want to know how I make the hair mask, I will put the link of the hair mask video up there so you can watch and you will apply it to. A lot of people who knows me, last year I was on low cut. When I say low cut, this was a meaning like total low cut. It was because of the pandemic thing, to get a barber, to go out, there was lockdown everywhere. So I decided to start to grow my hair. When lots of people see my hair, they are like, what did you use? How come the hair is so long? I'm using natural product. So this video, I'll be sharing with you the 8 wonders recipe that you can mix together within a twinkle of an eye, and you start to grow your hair and wonder. So what are these 8 wonders, magical, miracle recipe? These are the recipe that you don't even need to go far. You don't even need to go out from your kitchen before you can get this recipe. These recipes are the same thing you can use in cooking, you can eat, you can use as ingredient, as fruits, as everything. Is the same recipe you can also use to feed your hair, to grow your hair. What are these 8 recipes? I'm going to be putting the picture of everyone up there. The wonders, the miracle, the spectacular recipe to make hair conditioner depends on the quantity. Any measurement I say in this video, if you want a lot of it, you can double it. If you want half of it, then you can as well divide the quantity. So number 1 thing you are going to be needing is a blender, food processor, blending machine or blender. If you don't have the other cup one, you can as well use the same mixer we use, the one you use to make smoothie, the one you can use to the hand mixer everything is allowed if you don't have food processor. In your food processor, you open it like you want to blend something. First, you put 2 tablespoons of honey, 4 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 egg yolk. Not the we don't need the white side of the egg, just the yolk. You bring out the 2 yolk and add to the it, and 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. You know, most times when we buy coconut oil, they are always thick. So when you melt your coconut oil, shea butter also, you have to melt it as well, because when it's not melt, you cannot know the exact amount how you can get your tablespoons or something like this. It's better. I always advise melt them first. You can use your microwave, it's faster there. You cut your shea butter, put in a plate, put in the microwave and let it melt. Then in the shea butter we need 1 tablespoon. Coconut oil, like I said before, you need 3 tablespoons. 1 ripe banana, 2 tablespoons of apple cider. For people who live in Germany, they call it apple vinegar, apple elzig, and 4 tablespoons of water. After putting this 8 recipe inside your blender, blend not so much. Your 1, 2. You can as well use your mixer, the one we use for smoothie or something like that. You just mix, then you get a bone, put it inside, use comb on your hand to really take everything. That is how the air conditioner is achieved. After mixing everything, you rub in your hair. You can use on your natural hair, you can use on your weave-on. You rub and leave for 1 hour or more. So these 8 ingredients together, they create wonders. Why do I say they create wonder? Like honey, for example, honey is known to soften the hair, to nourish the hair, and it also prevents your natural hair from dandruff. Honey is very nutritious to your hair, to the body as well. Egg is an amazing ingredient to deep condition hair and give it essential protein for optimal health and shine. That is the importance of egg. The olive oil help in nourishing and restoring of shine. They are really a confirmed wonders, a confirmed miracle ingredient. Coconut oil is rich in fatty acid that penetrates into your hair deep to nourish the hair from the root to the tip. Coconut oil is also very important and is very useful. Shea butter is rich in vitamin C. It helps to protect your hair from any kind of damage. It hydrates it, and it also helps against split ends. What is split end? Like you see some hair to really not healthy at the tip. You know, some hair will be thick at the down and the tip will be so thin. You know that hair is not healthy. Shea butter can help to prevent that. Banana is extremely rich in silica, an ingredient which is not only helpful in reducing hair loss, but it also contributes towards making hair shiner. It also makes hair soft and bouncing. Yes, banana is also a very special and essential ingredient. So number 7, apple cider. What German call apple elzig. Apple cider gives the hair essential moisture that make it easier to manage, and it also help in detangling the hair. These are all important ingredients. Water is life. Water is everything. So guys, these 8 ingredients, they are the 8 miracle wonder that has been making my hair to grow and grow and grow without no stop. Like I said before, this video is the theory part of the hair conditioner. I'm going to be doing the practical part so that I will show you guys how I really do it and apply it on my hair to see. When you apply it on your hair, use a plastic cap to cover your hair to give it that heat. You can leave it for 1 hour, 2 hours, depends. Then you wash it out with lukewarm water. You will testify. It will make your hair to look shiner, to soften the hair. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for always coming back. Thank you for keeping up with us. Thank you so much. If you have tried these ingredients, if you will try it, don't hesitate to share your opinion and your experience with me on the comment section. Interact with me there. If you have another ingredient you have been adding to yours, also share with us on the comment section. These are the 8 ingredients I've been using, the 8 recipe I've been using. My hair has been growing wonders. I really love you guys. I appreciate you for your support, for your encouragement. For now, I want to say bye. We'll see you again Wednesday, 6 p.m. Central Europe time. For now.